Welcome my YouTube channel Dream Bikes Hub. What is special about Yamaha R1? The Yamaha R1 is equipped with a cross-plane crankshaft technology, which delivers a more linear torque output and smoother power delivery. What is the power of Yamaha R1? The Yamaha YZF-R1 has an engine size of 998 cc's, and it is capable of producing up to 197 horsepower at 13,500 revolutions per minute. This power output makes it one of the most powerful bikes in its class, and it is optimized for both track and street riding. What is the weakness of the Yamaha R1? The only weakness with the Yamaha R1's Delta Box chassis is that it needs a bit more effort and more precision to get the very best from it at the track, compared to the incredibly adroit GSX R1000. What is the fuel range of a Yamaha R1? As per RI, the average of YZF-R1 2012 is 20 kmpl, with a fuel tank capacity of 18 liters. This bike can go up to 360 km on full tank. While RI mileage figures are achieved under ideal test conditions, the real mileage may vary because of driving conditions and riding habits of riders. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to dive into a topic that I know you will find informative and helpful. So make sure to press that bell icon and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. I'd also appreciate it if you could hit that like button and share this video with your friends. Your support means the world to me, and it helps me create more content that you'll love.